Okay, we have some noises in the distance. There's a main road by Art Zone Park and it sounded like a motorbike, but that's the main road, and then suddenly it changed over to here, which is no way because there's no roads connected to that area. That is weird. It sounded like a motorbike and then it changed into something else. There's the moon. The moon is above number 13, which is an unlucky number, and the day Jehovah's Witnesses celebrate the memorial of Jesus' death is on Nisan 13th, not Nisan 14th. I've got it wrong. Jehovah's caused an error. It's windy. Can hear something. Can you hear that? This is in the south. Sounds like aircraft. Old warplanes. Wow, that does sound like old warplanes. That is phantom. That's Jehovah causing a supernatural event, I'm telling you. That means war's coming to the North Hykeham congregation. And Watchtower, the warplanes. Jehovah is sending the warplanes in. They're not real sounds, them. Yeah. That's a car you can hear coming down the Fulmer Road. They did sound like old warplanes, they did. Oh my goodness. I don't think they'll be flying at 10:49 PM. I can hear the geese or the something squawking their heads off on Art Zone Park. That's in that direction. I just heard a load of geese. I'm telling you, that was Jehovah causing those warplane sounds. I don't know whether it's going to pick it up on the phone, on the camera. Something's going on. Gone quiet now. I'm going to leave it there anyway. Bye for now.